Hi guys, welcome to my channel. After a long time I am going to upload video. So guys, do you want to get knowledge of .NET Core to become a .NET full stack developer? Then you are on right channel. If you want to refresh your memories, you are on right place. In this series of video I will try to deliver all required skills. So guys, please subscribe my channel to get video alert on time. So guys, please, I need your help. Please subscribe my channel. Once again, welcome. Let me tell you some brief information about myself. I am Saroj Jha, done Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology and Masters in AI and Machine Learning. I am also a Microsoft certified solution developer. I have a 13 years of industrial experience where I had worked on various roles. In this series, I will try to deliver as much as possible about .NET Core 6 and 7 along with Angular and Core. For this entire series, the prerequisite for this entire series are you must have a basic knowledge of C#. You must know how to operate Visual Studio. You must have a knowledge of SQL. So guys, let's start. Our primary goal about this entire series are the first video in which you will get an introduction and walkthrough of .NET Core 6 and 7. What is the new feature we have in .NET Core 7, and how .NET Core is different from .NET 3.1 or some previous version. So we will have entire walkthrough and important feature of .NET Core in this video. On a second video, we'll have HTTP verbs and header. So guys, how we will in this video we will see how to pass a query string, how we will deal with the body, how we will pass header, authorization header, or any other header, custom header. So in this video we'll have totally related with the HTTP verbs. And on third video I am going to introduce middleware to you. So in this example, we have a DB logger which is logging our exception to the system. So in this middleware we will see the example of middleware in this video. And the next video number 4, we will have a routing. So in your whatever base URL /home and login logout, so how routing can be achieved in a .NET Core, and what we need to do and how we will accomplish this. On video number 5 we will discuss about MVC controller, in which we will have return type like IAction result. We will discuss about this, and we will discuss about JSON type result also. So we will discuss what return type we can have, asynchronous, synchronous. So we will discuss in this MVC controller. On a 6 number video, we'll have a validation and data validation and model binding. So with the data annotation and JSON validation, we will see in this video how we will deal with the validation and model binding. On video number 7 we will have a razor view. So what is razor view and how we can do coding of HTML, and how we introduce C# code, that will be discussed on video number 7. On video number 8 we have a shared view which is shared across the entire view, like a layout, view start, or any extra view which will be needed. In video number 9 we will have a partial view. In an entire page, suppose say some view, some partial view you want to render on more than one page. So you do not require to code everywhere. You will declare as a partial view. So how to deal with the partial view we will have a discuss on video number 9. Then we have view component. What we will discuss on this about a view component, everything about a view component. On video number 11 we will discuss about a dependency injection. Like say we have a logger which is injected in this controller, so how we will inject, how we will declare interface, and how we'll implement and then inject in our controller. And then we have a partial view. Then another things is on a video number 13 we'll have an environment variable, how to deal with the environment, like it's a development or it's a production or anything else, like staging. These environment we will discuss. On video number 14 we will discuss about the configuration, how we will set the configuration which will be accessed throughout the project or throughout the solution. On video number 5 we will discuss about the CRUD operation. We will develop some API for CRUD, create, update, read and delete. On video number 16 for a view we will use helper tag. So how we going to use this tag, helper tag, in our videos, we'll discuss about this. And video number 7 we will have a entity framework core. So we will know about the entity framework, which is nothing, just we'll deal with the entity with the database. And on video number 18 we will discuss about the logging. So in this entire series we will have two kinds of logging. One is standard logging, which is error and information is going to logged into a database, and another is API logging. API logging means when your API is called, by whom your API is called, how much duration it took to get execute the API, etc. So now on 19 we will discuss about the filter, then error handling. In this you see we have we will design a error set of error, and we will design a error message in such a way that it will be throughout the project, it will be a standard set of result, and API response will have a same class which will call by API response, and then will return to that if there is any error. Over here you can see API logging is done. So we have two kinds of logging, like a database logging and API logging, as I was told previously. On video number 21 we will discuss about authentication and authorization, and video number 22 we will discuss about the role based JWT token. So in this JWT token we will generate a JWT token, and in another API we will declare a role. That API is only accessible by some role. So we will have a role based JWT token example. On video number 23 we have ASP.NET Core Web API. So how we will how we will design a web API, we will see that. On a video number 24 we will see the example in Swagger, Postman or OpenAPI. So like a Swagger we have like a API authentication service, and these are the API which is over here, how we can use a Swagger and how to verify our API. On a 25 video we will see a microservice API. So how we are going to declare microservice, how we will deal with the microservice, how to call that microservice, how to set into a Docker container and deploy that Docker container on Azure. So we will see everything on microservice API, video number 25. On video number 26 we are going to have a gateway. So gateway it's just one layer before a service, microservices. If we do not want to expose our actual address of microservice, then we are putting a gateway in front of that, and that gateway will be applicable to call our microservices. So by using oscillate we will have one example of gateway. On that last we have a video number 27, that is deal with the Angular. So regarding timeline of this video upload, in June I will upload till video number 10. In July I will try to upload 11 to 16 and so on. At the end of this October I will try to upload Angular videos also. So guys, at the end of this session you will be able to create application in .NET Core, and you can be handy in a .NET Core, and you can be a full stack developer if you will do some exercises along with me. Have a patience. So thank you guys once again. Please share my subscribe my videos.